Here are some of the cutest puppy bark you'll find in the internet. The last one is the most adorable one. But first, let's have a quiz. What dog breed is known as the gentle giant because of its massive size but friendly nature? Finish this video to find out the answer. Let's begin. First, the chunky. The grumpy. The pleaser. The angry cutie. Who do you think the cutest one? Comment down below. And the answer to the quiz is the Great Dane. Like and subscribe if you got the correct answer.